Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how to create a TikTok account step by step. Open the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android on your mobile device. Search for TikTok and download the app. Tap on the TikTok app icon to open it. On the home screen, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. You can sign up with your phone number, email address, or existing social media accounts like Facebook, Google, or Twitter. TikTok requires users to be at least 13 years old. Enter your birth date to proceed. Choose a unique username for your TikTok account. Create a strong password to secure your account. TikTok may ask you to complete a security verification, such as entering a code sent to your phone number or email. Add a profile picture by tapping on the profile icon and selecting Edit Profile. Write a bio to introduce yourself to other TikTok users. Once your account is set up, explore the TikTok app to discover videos, trends, and creators. That's it! You've successfully created a TikTok account. Start sharing your own videos and engaging with the TikTok community. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.